Welcome to Smart Manager. Today we'll explore the powerful search capabilities that make finding leads and clients quick and easy. Start by navigating to the main menu and selecting Record Search. Here you have options for both lead search and client search. The Quick Search option allows you to search by name or other simple criteria. Let's look up James Brown, a lead in our system. Just type the name and hit Search. For more detailed searches, switch to the Advanced Search tab. Here you can refine your search using criteria such as assignee, status, and more. Further narrow your search by using fields like account name, phone, email, and even SSN. Remember, these fields are customizable to align with your specific business requirements. Smart Manager's search function is designed to be flexible and efficient, ensuring you can find your leads and clients with ease. Visit smartmanagersoftware.com for a demo and see how it can streamline your operations.